Hey, you two, welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to show you guys four different ways of how to take a screenshot on the new and latest Samsung Galaxy Note 10 or Note 10 Plus or your Note 10 Plus 5G. So let's go ahead and do this. The first method is how to screenshot by using combination keys. Okay. So let's go to like a website or something like that, and let's go to Samsung. Okay. So we are the Samsung website. So to do the screenshot, you got multiple pages and stuff like that. You want to go ahead and then press the power button, which is on the side, and then the volume down. You're going to press it only 1 second, okay? A quick press. Do not hold it longer than 2 or 3 seconds, or it's going to end up turning off your device. So there you go. I'm going to hit power and then the volume down key. And you see a flash on the screen. That means screenshotted already. So for example, if you want to continue, keep on taking keep on scrolling down, let's do that again. But normally you will see like a bar right here on the bottom. And then you gotta click on that, one of the icon to continue to keep a screenshot. So let's go and do that. And there'll be this icon right here. And it's gonna keep on scrolling down by itself when you press it. So I guess that's it. Let's try it. Portrait mode. I think the portrait mode allow you to snapshot more or screenshot more. Let's see. Yes, keep on allowing you to screenshot continuously and tell you. So now it's screenshot all the way down already. Okay. So if you want, you could go to your gallery. So this is a long screenshot that we just did earlier. And then you can zoom in. And then right here, you could just go to the website in case you need to refer back where you screenshot this pages from. So it's going to automatically go to Samsung website. Okay. And then this is the other one that we took, and you just go to the website. You could delete it or click on this to share image or web link, or you can click on this to do the photo editing. But you gotta click on allow, and you do all your editing right here, cropping, tilting, stuff like that, or text. But you click on the eye to see more, meets the eye, and you gotta click on all this to agree, and then continue. And you agree to all this term and condition. This is the Bixby vision partners. add Bixby Vision to the app screen. Go ahead and do that. Allow. So there's a lens and apps. So it allows you to go to shopping, whatever that you took, the picture. Anyway, there are so many things that you could do with this. And then let's go back to the website, and then I'm going to show you guys another way to do the screenshot. All right, the second way to do the screenshot is to put your palm from your left, swipe it to the right, or from the right, swipe it to the left, okay? Here we go. And you got the bar, you keep on doing the same thing, continue, keep on screenshot, or just let it stop. Okay, so I'm just going to touch it. And then we can swipe from right to left. And you see a flash. Okay, so that's a second method. And all those functions right there earlier that I showed you guys is exactly the same. So in case you did not activate your screenshot by using the palm swipe, you want to go ahead and go to setting, and then under setting, you want to go to advanced feature. You want to go to motion and then gesture, okay? And be sure to activate this palm swipe to capture. If it's off, then you just need to turn it back on, okay? And then that's it. And then the third one is to screenshot by using Bixby voice, okay? If you haven't set it up, when you press this Bixby button or the power button right here and hold, it's going to activate Bixby. Once you press this power button, and normally you gotta agree to the term and condition, or if there's a updated version, it will ask you to update for the Bixby voice. Okay, so I'm gonna press this. Hey Bixby, take a screenshot. Okay, so after you take it, and you got the same thing right here. There's a bar right here, and then you just keep on pressing it to do a continue screenshot. Okay. And then that is this is the third method on how to do the screenshot by Bixby voice. So if you set up the Bixby button, normally it will help you guide to set up your voice prompt. You will need to say hi Bixby for like 5 times or more, maybe 6 times. Hi Bixby, screenshot. So you can say take a screenshot or screenshot. So if you don't do anything, then when the bars disappear on the lower hand side, then you can take continuous shots. Okay? All right, let's go to the number 4th method. Number 4th method is by ejecting your stylus. And you open the web pages already. You want to go ahead and click on screen right, and then that will take, this will only take one picture, okay? Or whatever picture that you, whatever website or that's within this screen. And then you could write something on here, okay? Or you could choose a different color marker or rainbow, no. Green. And it's making that sound, like writing sound. So you could exit it out. And then you could choose a different kind of pen or eraser. Okay. And right here, this is to undo what you just draw. If you keep on pressing it, it's going to undo everything that we just write. So after that, you can click on save or share. So you click on share. There's a smart view, which is play content to the other devices, or share large files. Share large file up to 2 GB per day using link sharing. Or you could just click on whatever app that you want to share with. Okay. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop me in the comments on below. And thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.